Imagine
This
it's
is
10 p.m.
It's actually happening.
You check the news,
Watch the markets.
and your
This is going to
bank
affect
has
everyone.
just
You need to prepare.
collapsed.
Wall Street is facing
Your
another
paycheck
massive
is sitting
shift
there.
As
Your
physical
emergency
branches begin
fund
to
is
close
sitting
their
there.
doors, your
Your
capital needs a
mortgage
modern
payment is
strategy.
due tomorrow.
Let's secure your future.
Do you lose
Your
everything?
financial security is our top
Actually,
priority. Our smart
probably
technology
not.
protects your assets,
But what
leaving you
happens
free to focus
next
on your
might
future.
surprise you. And there's one government-backed insurance policy that millions of Americans don't fully understand. Let's break it down.
We are connecting
Here's
banks
the
for a
first thing
secure
you need to
future.
know.
Your money
If
moves
your money
safely
is in an
and instantly.
FDIC-insured
This
bank,
is the new
your
standard.
deposits are
Keep your assets
protected up to
protected.
$250,000 per
beautiful
depositor,
credit union,
per bank,
where your
per
financial
ownership
future is
category.
always safe.
That means if
We
your
are
bank
here to help you
fails,
grow.
the federal government doesn't simply let your money disappear. In many cases, customers regain access to their insured funds within just a few days, sometimes even by the next
Welcome
business
to
day.
your financial future.
So,
Time
despite
is your most
scary
valuable
headlines,
asset. We
most
track
everyday
every single
Americans
growth metric.
never
Rule
lose
number
their
one,
insured
start
deposits when a
investing
bank
early.
fails.
Let us begin. There
But
are three
here's where
pillars of
things
personal
get
finance.
interesting.
First, banks
What if
offer
you have
security.
more
Credit
than
unions provide great collaboration, and
$250,000?
treasury protection backs it up.
This
Together,
is
they
where
keep your money
smart
safe.
savers start thinking
Welcome
differently.
to your financial future.
Instead of keeping all
Here,
their cash
we don't
in
just
one
grow your
bank,
wealth.
they
We
spread
protect
money
what
across
matters most.